So this is our new machine we got, our laser cutting table slat grinder. I'm going to try to operate it with holding the camera. Here we go. It's got a kill switch. Turn that on. Grinder teeth. Here we go. Kill the switch. Works pretty good. Better than hammering. Cost about $6,000. And that's about it. Just wanted to show everybody the new slat grinder for the laser cutting table. Takes off the slag like that, which is a pain in the ass to hammer off. I don't want to hammer no more, so here we go, $6,000. Thanks for watching.